In primetime news this evening, rural St. Andrew residents demand answers about water shortage in their community.
Authorities address fears of a regional banana threat.
And 1 year on, family of murdered teens still seeking justice. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Milton Walker has our preview. Milton?
Yes, Janella, the central bank says it will no longer accept one particular currency effective Monday. We'll tell you which one.
And from Milton, we go to sports. Jordan Fort, what's happening?
Well, Archie, Olympic double sprint champion Elaine Thompson will be back to Diamond League business tomorrow. I'll tell you who else will be competing at the Paris Diamond League in Primetime Sports Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking our rural viewers to share some of their experiences coping with the water crisis.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.